Cheers and good morning, guys. We poked our heads out this morning and found a lovely, lovely sight. What is that?
I know.
We got Morrison's girlfriend, Trinity. As much as we love Trinity, we're a little more concerned with the contents they're in. They deserve a good long sleep, so I think we'll just wait around until they wake up, you know? Yeah. Sound good? Hello in there. Hello. Hello. Nope, reflect up. No. Look at that, baby. They've absolutely got us.
They got us.
Yeah, they got us good. Well, all right. I feel like we should just go back to sleep or something. I mean, this is like, what do we do with our morning?
I know.
We got their reflectix up and everything. They've just absolutely blocked us out of the world. So we have absolutely no chance of, you know. Here they are.
This is my life for the next month.
Yeah.
I haven't slept till 2 in the afternoon since I was a teenager. Yeah, I needed it.
You're great.
This is us from the future. We realized
What's
we
up,
did
guys?
not give these guys a proper introduction, and we wanted to.
So rude,
make
guys.
sure-
Yeah.
So what up?
Unless we're
Welcome. This is our van. We're also in that van. And we're Eamon Bec. We're also YouTubers. We make videos.
And we're all going to Mexico.
Hello, Mexico.
Hello, Mexico.
Hello, Mexico. We're hanging out with these guys today, and we realized we didn't preface it, but here, how should I introduce this?
All right, you
all
just
right.
say roll.
Cue the day.
Wow.
When did you pick this up, you little monkey?
In my way, right?
Wow. Am I blushing? I feel
What a
like-
Valentine's.
Beck, did you hear my Valentine's Day gift to you?
You're giving me one?
I'm not gonna ask for. I'm not asking for a drink of your Valentine's Day drink.
If I have a glass of water,
Yeah.
he's taking a sip of it and then he's drinking this. So when we were at the One of a Kind show, these guys came down and were helping us work the show. He kept taking a sample of chai and like drinking it in this little, he had little cups, and he'd leave it here, and then I'd turn around and he'd be drinking another little cup and he'd have it over here. Then he'd have his big cup. He'd be like drinking from the big cup and then just find something else. Like it was just madness.
I'd start smashing
all the time.
samples.
How much chai do you think you drank in a
I
day?
probably drink like 6, 7, 8 cups a day. Like
That's too little.
too little. Yeah, 10, a dozen cups a day.
Like
If I
real
was-
cups.
If I was not talking to a customer, I was drinking chai.
It's okay. That's why this is a beautiful gift that he said for Valentine's Day. He's not going to take a sip of mine.
Guys, it's currently 1 o'clock. We've been ready to go since 8. Are you ready to go?
First shower.
So
Finally?
do it.
Let's go! Let's go! We all just work our little patooties off.
Little patooties.
And so we really need to get some work done. They need to edit a video because they have been crack-a-lacking out these daily vlogs.
TVs.
And if you have not seen their daily vlogs, check them out. There's some real drama going around in the Eamon and Bec household.
Relationship is on the rock.
Yeah, that's right. It's on the rocks, guys. Be aware. We're gonna go just show them the city and show them a couple of our favorite vegan spots. We're doing a quick trim right here.
Take a few. Whoa, angle. Don't angle.
Well, no. Okay. We're gonna go straight then, right here?
No, that's not.
No.
Just do sections.
Okay, I'll do sections.
Oh my god.
All right, hold on.
All right,
Good
yeah,
chunk?
perfect. Yeah, peace.
Your clickbait title should be "We give Eamon a haircut."
That's right. Oh,
We should be
top
like,
number 1.
Never regret it.
What is it? It feels like shearing, dog.
Yeah, dude.
This is insane.
Whoa, why is it?
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god, babe. Are you sure right now?
Yeah.
It's mostly gone. Don't
Eamon, I
worry.
would redo your bun because your bun is so
I'm gonna
strong.
redo it in a sec.
I'm leaving a lot. Don't worry. That's a
wow.
lot of hair. Should I just leave this around?
Oh.
What? What? It looks really good.
Dude, it looks way better right now.
Looks so good. What are you
So
guys
much
talking about?
better.
This is the only way I wear my hair. So it doesn't matter how otherwise it looks.
Look at that.
Sprinkle it around at least.
We're finally en route, and we're just gonna rip some work, which is usually what we do. Now we're gonna show them around Austin.
So all those guys are working on editing a video and a website. I'm gonna take all of you guys' comments, make one final plan. We'll see what we find. I'm just gonna make a list of like all the main things that you guys said to do in certain countries and any tips and tricks that we have, and we're gonna come up with a final game plan for Central America. We're dying to get out of here, aren't we?
Welcome to our new life.
Yeah.
46 minutes.
Dude, what do you want to do? So check out this beauty, guys. Here's the final route. Are you ready? San Antonio. We're going through a pass right here. Oh, hello. North of Laredo. South through Monterey. And then skip Mexico City. We'll go north of Chiapas, see a couple amazing things there, and go up to Mérida, spend a lot of time in Yucatan, and then basically go down through Belize, go through Guatemala, see all the incredible things there. Most likely call that a day.
And then loop back up to Toronto. And
Yeah,
then
that's right.
We have a show in Toronto, and then we're gonna, if we still like each other, go
Loop
to
back up to
Alaska,
Toronto.
and then cruise down the entire West Coast.
Right.
Which brings us to the bottom of Baja.
Right.
And then you're gonna dip back through Central.
Right.
Through Panama, and then just get dirty
And then just get nasty and dirty. We're done. We gotta get the hell out of here. Let's go.
Oh, hello.
So there's this airplane
Hello.
like the back. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Austin.
Scooch back, baby.
Hello. Oh, wow, that's awesome, dude.
Guys, we're getting the Insta shots. Hello. Ladies. Let's go.
And then you're driving.
All right, guys, we have used and abused this photo location. We milked this thing for everything it's worth. All right, while they're wrapping up, guys, I gotta share a little piece of my life with you. So I grew up basically right here. That cafe, the Mediterranean Cafe, is the home of the world's best hummus. I kid you not, the world's best hummus, Grandma's Hummus. For my 18th birthday, I got a gallon of Grandma's Hummus, changed my life forever, right? Well, we have a couple other hummus lovers that are gonna be exploring and taking this journey with us, so we're gonna go get us a gallon of hummus. Isn't that right, Beck?
Yes.
Are you so stoked?
It might be featured in our mukbang.
It might be featured on our mukbang, so keep an eye out for our mukbang, but let's rock and roll. So how do you think this is gonna go down? I think I'm just gonna ask, like, how much bulk hummus could you sell us? Yeah. And see what they say, you know? How much is it for, like, just like, I don't know, a couple pounds of hummus?
$7.99 a pound, so however many pounds you'll take.
It looks so good.
I'm absolutely blown away.
Are you blown away?
Those guys were hardcore. Those are like,
Hardcore.
wow, this is absolutely insane.
How fresh is this, Jenny?
It's gotta be spanking fresh.
Wow.
That's insane.
Should I go buy another one?
Maybe you should. Come on, I'll go with you. So we got these, is it dolma, right? Dolmas. And I love these things, dude. Yeah.
I'm
insane.
pumped about
Rebecca,
this.
you ready?
You're not gonna eat it with hummus?
No.
No hummus? Oh.
Why not?
Oh my god, I love that. Do you like that?
Not really.
Really?
I've never tasted anything like this.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Really?
I would rip these grape leaves just by themselves.
I think that's what's really interesting. I've never had one of those before.
We're just stopping really quickly because they haven't yet met Christian's mom. I think you guys have met Christian's mom, pretty sure. But they want to meet her.
This is just a fun little fun.
That's so weird. You got your camera thing going. Okay. Did he just speak any Russian phrases?
All right.
Freaking amazing woman.
You digging these beats?
Yeah?
Hey guys, is the word Tex-Mex come from like Texas?
Guys.
Ah!
Texas's version of Mexican food.
What the flip? I'm learning so much new stuff. I always wondered what that meant.
Here at Spider House, ending the day.
Is everyone getting burgers? You have to get burgers?
We gotta get at least a burger. You gotta at least try the burger, dude. All right, Arlo's, babe, how are you feeling?
I'm so confident.
Stoked on it?
Definitely getting the barbecue.
All vegan. All vegan, dude.
Like a chicken sandwich?
Chicken sandwich is vegan. So the barbecue burger is my personal favorite. That's what I'm like. The barbecue burger is insane.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's insane. What are you getting back?
I'm gonna try the barbecue.
Ah, barbecue burger, buddy.
We'll get one of each.
Chicken chipotle and barbecue burger?
Yeah, tacos, sides.
We're gonna get it all, guys.
I put the order under Jet for whatever reason.
Why?
I don't know, I was just feeling it. Like she asked me for my name, but I didn't want to tell her my name. No.
Why?
Still waiting for my meal.
Eamon's too complicated?
I don't know, I just did it. It was like really impulse.
Let's get the first taste. Incredible?
Incroyable.
That tastes like nothing I've ever.
Madame, is it incroyable?
It actually tastes like
Let's go, baby. Let's go. Get it in there. Come on, make some noises for me. Come on.
AMR. No, I'm still eating.
Hey, can I give it a hit?
Oh, I want to taste it. Is it good?
Genuinely tastes like popcorn.
I know.
But the barbecue burger is next level. She's about to find out. Let's get a real close up on that face. What's the verdict of the?
Loving this.
Okay.
Barbecue burger. 10 out of 10.
Right.
Really
Truly great.
good. Good
Truly
flavor.
great.
Love the pickle in there. Classic burger taste.
Oh my god.
Chicken. 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. And what about our
Good.
popcorn mac?
Really don't know.
I'm recording now, dude.
Okay, dude.
This is so brutal. Do you guys want to like comment? We're about to start the official Central America vlogs. More coming about that, guys.
We're heading to Mexico and further south all together. We're all super stoked, so we're gonna hopefully welcome a lot of you to our channel, Eamon Bec. It'll be linked below, right guys?
100% linked below. Hopefully we showed them a decent little time in Austin today. We're gonna go get ready to go, get excited, get stoked about the trip, and
We're gonna have a live video, right?
yes.
Okay, live video on Saturday at noon Eastern. These guys, do you guys want to join us?
Oh,
live
sure.
video?
We'll be there.
Okay, they'll be there.
Guys, whether you like it or not.
Here's the kicker. Our official Mexico Central America series is launching on Wednesday.
Mexico.
So we won't have a video on Tuesday. We're gonna take a break so that we can get all the videos ready to go. Episode 1 drops Wednesday.
Episode 1, keep an eye out for that live vid, and we'll see you in Mexico in a minute.
Bye!